Greetings from I Love New York, and we are going to do a quick walking tour of WitchsFest USA, which is right behind this well-known black cube of the East Village. We're over by East 8th Street, and let's do a walkthrough of this year's activities. And we are presented with one incredible author speaking right now, Alexander Cabot. Alexander has a brand new book out, so not only can you hear from Alexander directly, there's the book. It's out. And you can meet with him directly. He's also going to speak with you and share his experience. Completely a free activity. What else have we got? We've got books, we've got entertainment, and we have one of the founders of this event, that's Starr and RavenHawk, right behind that gold bag with the beautiful glitter on her arm, shining on Astor Place. Entertainment is also here. We just had a concert from Wolfspeak, and the cats are here. Haven't seen anyone arrive on Broom yet, but the cats are here, and in beautiful I Love New York. Now, this is July 16th. This date was selected to be as close as possible to the summer solstice, and also it's a great time for a street fair in I Love New York. Although there are many people at the beaches, New York does have great beaches. Orchard Beach, Coney Island, Jones Beach, but we also have quite a lot of witches, and they come out and celebrate every year and gather more than once. We also have Pagan Pride over in Battery Park, a May Day event taking place on Long Island. And there we have Dark Moon Spirit is setting up right now. Wolfspeak is clearing the stage space, and there is Fred from Dark Moon Spirit. They're going to be taking the stage next, and that is a preview, a quick walk through WitchsFest USA. See you next year. And actually, you can be here tomorrow. The event will run throughout the remainder of the weekend. Until next time, blessed be.